It is once again time for the Law on You with Aries Premier Attorneys Fellerman and Ciarimboli. You know, today's question is from Nancy, and she's very vulnerable in it.
Yeah.
Because I think sometimes when we see people in power, we get a little scared and nervous. And
this is actually a very good question.
she's a nanny coach. She says, I'm feeling nervous and overwhelmed about my upcoming meeting with some personal injury lawyers. I was in a car accident and have had 2 surgeries from it. The other driver was found to be at fault by both insurances. What should I be asking or mentioning in that appointment?
Yeah, so Nancy, I mean, obviously you're coming into a situation you've never been involved in before, so there's certainly going to be some anxiety, some nerves. Our job, my job, Brian's job, is to make sure that you are comfortable. And when you come in to meet with us, or any lawyer for that matter, first and foremost, make sure that you're comfortable and that your questions are answered. Now, what questions you should be asking are, what is the process going to entail? What documents you're going to need, what you're going to have to do, what the lawyer's expectations of this particular case are. These are all things that are really critical. Is the case going to go into litigation immediately? Are they going to work to try to settle it? These are all questions that are really appropriate for that first meeting. But, at the end of the day, our job is to make sure that we're handling all the legal aspects of your case. You're handling all your medical aspects and getting back to your life.
Well, you know what I do? Sometimes when people are nervous, I meet them at their house. They're more comfortable at their house. They open up more at their house, and I've had people actually give me cookies and serve me food. So I love going to their house. It's a good practice for lawyers to do that.
I agree.
You like any cakes?
I've gotten plenty of them.
Take them all. If you want your question answered, visit the websites or give the hotline a call.